Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make your videos black and white in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and import your video into the project panel. You can do this by clicking on File and then Import. You can also use the shortcut key, Command or Control-I, and you'll get this window for you to import. Once you have selected your clip, drag and drop it to your timeline. To apply the black and white effect, make sure you're on the Color tab. If you can't see it, go to the workspace icon and select Color. Go to the Lumetri control panel and under Basic Correction, under Color, turn the saturation down to 0. Under Light, adjust the settings to your liking. You can adjust the highlights, shadows, blacks, whites, contrast. Just play around to get your desired result. And that's it. You now know how to make your videos black and white with this easy and simple trick in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video editing tutorials. Kwaheri.